In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Crunchyroll app if it's lagging, if it's not opening, if it's not playing the videos. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So currently I'm facing something like that. So let me show you guys the procedure, 3 different ways. So the first option, we come on here, we move to Google Play Store if you are using Android. And now you just search Crunchyroll. Good. And on the page here, you can see there is an update here. So you can see there is an update here. So mostly if there is an update and you don't update your app, you are going to face these type of errors here. So just tap on the update to update it. Yeah, just tap on it like this. And after that, you try to log into your Crunchyroll account and see whether it's going to work. If it doesn't work, let me show you guys what to do next. Move to your settings. Good. So on your settings, you move to your apps. So you can see this, my apps on my Android phone. Yeah. And now let's move to the C column to the Crunchyroll. You can see this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to clear our cache and we are going to clear the data too as well. So clearing the data, they are going to log us out. So you should take note of that. So clearing the cache. After that, we clear our data too as well. Good. So we clear our data, everything, we remove everything here. And now we come back here. So sometimes it's permissions. So let's try to allow some sort of permissions to see whether it's going to work. So let's allow the permissions for the storage, something like that. Good. After all this, I think your Crunchyroll app needs to work. If it doesn't work, what you need to do is just hop on your Google Play Store once again, just uninstall it and then try to reinstall it again and it's going to work. That's it on how to fix your lagging Crunchyroll app. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.